Like twins. See?
Oh, it's quite large. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rhea. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm in Kelowna this weekend. Willow and I are chilling outside. I'm finishing my coffee and we're about to go to the pool. We got up here last night, no, yesterday afternoon, and then we just kind of visited, and honestly I went to bed at like 8 this morning. What did I do? Ooh, I finished the 7-year slip book, 10 out of 10. I really enjoyed that one. And I'm about to go to the pool, and I think I'm gonna start The Wedding People. I've heard good things. My mom also told me to read it recently, so that's my next read. I think it's a summary book too, so fingers crossed. And then later we might go to the lake, see if Willow will go in the water. That was her pool floaty that I was blowing up earlier. Yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do for the weekend. I might pop into HomeSense tomorrow, shocking. And then Willow actually has a play date with her 2 little weenie friends that live up here. Yeah. Ooh, also, I got accepted back into the Fairy Loot subscription box. Very excited. I don't know why I canceled it maybe 2 years ago and then tried to get back in and they just accepted me now. I think it took 6 months. Okay, let's go to the pool.
So does everybody want some lemonade?
Yes, please.
No.
Good girl! Oh my gosh, good girl!
Hey, what's up guys? We have a fire here in West Kelowna, super close to the residents of
Don't put his whole name on the block!
Sorry.
We were at the beach earlier and the sand was whipping so bad that we left, but Willow did get to run around in the beach. We tried to put her in the water, she was not having it. There is a fire quite close by. The power's now out, so we're just hanging out at home. I was reading a bit. I started The Wedding People. Honestly, haven't done too much today besides like hang out and tan, so sorry if this vlog's a little bit not a lot going on. We keep seeing water bombers too, drop the water on the fires. Morning sunshine. Willow and I are hanging out in the car. Today was not the nicest weather. It was a little bit cloudy. We went to the pool. Well, we went to the beach first. I think we lasted 20 minutes and it started to rain. So then we went to the pool and now we are, oh yeah, and then I popped into HomeSense and I got a couple things. I got these little fake flowers. A light pink one too. And then I also got this cute little lamp for the kitchen. 20 bucks. And now we're picking up takeout sushi and we're gonna go to my friend's house that has 2 little dachshunds and Willow's gonna have a little play date. That's that. We already leave tomorrow. Well, I already leave tomorrow. Evan's staying up here for a little bit longer. Hello. What'd you like down, girlfriend? I go to visit. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Canadian long weekend. It's 8:15. I'm about to drive home from Kelowna. Got a little, oh yeah, I have an energy drink. A little kiwi apple. And then Evan's mom made me a sandwich. I can't wait. She put like Boursin cheese on it. Oh my god. It's gonna be magnificent. Willow's in the back seat. I have an audiobook lined up. I'm gonna do The True Love Experiment from Christina Lauren. Evan and I listened to The Housemaid on the way up, and I really want to know what happens, but obviously he's not driving home with me, so I can't listen to it. I'm gonna go to fruit stand right now. I gotta do that. Fingers crossed they're open at 8 because it's a holiday. Okay, yay. I'm gonna go get some fruit, and then we're gonna make the trek home. I got 2 things of peaches, 2 things of raspberries, some cherries, and some blueberries. And it's time. Okay, Willow, you ready for our trek?